Do you need to generate QR codes for inventory or business links, but hate typing complex formulas on your phone screen? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI to provide the code for us so that you can copy, paste, and instantly generate QR codes right inside Google Sheets Mobile without knowing complex code. Let's get started. So have you seen QR codes? Do you wonder how they make them? Do you wonder if it's complex? It's actually pretty easy, and you can do it in Google Sheets on your phone anytime. Let me show you how to do it. I don't know the code, but Gemini AI does. So let's go to Gemini AI and make this really easy. How do I create QR codes in Google Sheets on my phone? So let's see what it comes back. Says there's a clever hack, says there's a formula, and understanding the formula if you want to learn about that, and then pro tips for mobile. So what I would recommend is copy the formula. And again, it's an image formula, and it goes out to a website and it brings back the QR code. So you'll see that's in A2. So I'm going to paste here, and it says loading, and I'm going to put in a website. I have another YouTube channel called Camp Brood, hiking and traveling the national parks. Now, we didn't get what we wanted, did we? In a minute, I'm going to show you how to make it work. But if you want to stop fighting with Excel and start mastering business systems with Google Sheets on your phone, like I'm helping you with here now, hit that subscribe button. I'm an accountant with over 30 years of experience, and I love to help small business owners and professionals build their back office in Google Sheets Mobile. Okay, so it didn't work, and I knew it wouldn't work. So that's why I'm doing this video, because if you try it, you might stop there. But in Gemini AI, you can go further and say, this didn't work. Is there an update? I think I used the wrong there, but it's Gemini AI understands it. So I've got a new formula. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into Google Sheets. We're going to paste it. And now I have my QR code. So the other advantage is you can expand your row height. And you can zoom in. And expand your width. And there you can share the QR code and it'll take you right out to campbrood.com. Now that you've seen how to make a QR code, if you're running a business, you need to look the part. Stop using a personal Gmail address for your company and check out the link in the description for a free 14-day trial of Google Workspace. It's the professional upgrade your small business needs to succeed. Learn more in our video description while you watch. And now let me show you how you can make multiple QR codes in Google Sheets. Once you have the file set up, you just copy and paste. And now you can see the formula down there. And we're going to add another website. I'll add the Small Business COO website. Now I've got a QR code for another website. And if you want to share a YouTube channel, just do youtube.com and your handle. Now, do you know why I don't have a QR code yet? Because I didn't copy and paste. To learn more Google Sheets, watch this video next.